This should be starting to look a little bit better. Let's have a bit of a look. Sorry about my shadow. Just me and my shadow. Oh. Okay, so we've cleaned up an absolute crap load of wiring. You saw what we pulled out the other day. Big clusterfuck of it. Where are we? Whole shitload of wiring. I have rewired my headlights. What the go is there's two patch leads that went from this here, and they just plugged in. So this is fucking really hard to see. They plugged in, the lights plugged in there, and the bloody blinkers plugged in, and everything plugged into those leads. And yeah, they went walkabouts on both sides, so I had to make some. Just patched them in. So now headlights work, blinkers work. That's all good. Horns. Horn is not working. These are the positive and minus for it. The relay works. When you press the bloody button, you can hear the relay clicking, but there's no power actually coming through here. So these here I've got left are my gauges. I believe it's hot water. Oh, fucking hot water. I'm a dickhead. I believe it's water, oil, fucking, and what else? Battery, water, oil, battery, stuff like that. I'm not sure which is which right this second, but I have got some wiring diagrams. Okay, so yeah, that's just why my grill's off at the moment. Put my grill back on. So the horns that come off it were pretty crap. They were almost bloody dead. So I've just ordered a couple more horns online. They show up, they can go in. They're not going to work right this second, but yeah, I'll just see what I can do. Might have to just hot wire the horn. Just need the bastard past Rego for the time being. Okay, so what else have we got? What else have we done? I need to reset this. Okay, so I put in new tail lights, and they're clear. I don't know. They might grow on me. If not, I'll just change them over. Put some lights on here. Okay, so what I've done is I took out the old tail lights, and I will put a picture of them there for you to see. And as you can see, they're absolutely fucking horrible things, and so I bloody cut all the wires off and changed them out and changed them over to these. So we've got blinker, two brake lights and a reversing light, and the same over that side. They're all wired up, they're all working. I just got to, and they've been soldered. I just have to put some insulation on them, but they're all working fine. All the shit in my boot, but besides that, it's all cleaned out, it's all emptied, it's all nice. I was thinking about putting some dyno matting on here, and right, yeah, it needs a couple of plugs. Okay, just checking. Right, put this over there, try and keep the dust and shit and the neighbour's fucking cat walking on the bastard. Well, it'll still walk on it, but at least it won't scratch the fuck out of it. Alright, well, we've got the dash in. Sorry, it's really hard to see. I've got bugger all light around here. Let's try this. So, I finished the dash. You can bloody see much. You can't see anything. Let's put it in there. I've managed to put a scratch on it already. I'll just have to fucking dab a bit of black on the bastard. Got my console in, got some dyno matting in. Okay, so at the moment we've just got one gauge, and this gauge has got the bloody high beam, low beam blinkers on it. It's got my rev counter and shit like that. Not really that incredibly interesting right this moment, but so all my wires, I've done a stupid thing. I wired it all up and everything, and I forgot to take the stupid thing off the back here. So this is a GPS speedo, so just going to run up to that thing there, so I don't have to hook it up to the gearbox or anything like that. Just going to write down this wire combination now that I found it, and then pull them all off and stick that in and put it all back together again. Can you hear that? So the horn relay's working, but nothing's coming off it at the moment. So yeah, believe it or not, I'm actually hoping to have this done within the next couple of weeks and registered. And literally a couple of weeks, like, you know, maybe a month or something. So yeah, my new dash looks good. I like it. It looks pretty mean compared to the original Commodore dash, that's for sure. It'll certainly look good once all the bloody gauges are in. I'm gonna get a full gauge set, obviously. Yeah, so that's about it. That's about where we're up to at the moment. I think I gave myself till Christmas to get this done, and I reckon I'll actually have it done by next month. The only thing I'm going to do is undo that, stick it in there. I have a dwell switch that I have to stick onto here, and I'm hoping it all works properly, and if that does, Jesus, it's pretty much done. I just got to put the seats in. One of my seats I think is absolutely completely fucking destroyed, so I don't know. I've just got to put the seats in, and I'm not even putting any carpet in for the time being. I'm going through Rego as is. And well, fuck it, I'll put the door cards on, put the window wipers on, you know, shit like that. Yeah, I'm not bothered doing fuck all to this thing until it goes through Rego, and then after it's registered, then I'll start putting bits and pieces on it here and there what I need. Because yeah, last time it was off the road for too long. It got bloody done in a flood, so I don't want that to happen again. So get it up, get it registered. Plus I want to drive it. I haven't driven the cunt for 5 years, so yeah. So let's get it up, let's get it done. And yeah, that's it. All right, well, that's part 6. Part 7, this will be in there, and with a bit of luck I might even have a seat or two in, we'll see, don't know. And that's about it. I know it looks like a fucking heap of shit right at this moment, but there is actually really not much left done to do. I've got I've got all the rear lights working, I've got all the front lights working. That's it. I just got to stick the chairs and shit in. So, and put this speedo in. You got to be able to tell how fast you're going. And that's about it. So, alrighty. Well, good luck to yous. Good luck to me. And we'll see you in the next really exciting episode and see if I actually get something done. Yeah, ciao, ciao. Techno.